Disco, don't you? Have you watched all my Disco videos on Spread the Happiness TV? Yes or no? Go watch some more. Well, these are brand new moves called Dinosaur Disco. Have you got your dough? Then let's go to the Dinosaur Disco. Dinosaur move 1. The Herbivore Chew. Do you know that dinosaurs that eat only plants and leaves are called herbivores? And this is the Herbivore Chew. Squeeze your dough and pretend that your fingers are the teeth, chewing and swallowing. Pass it over and do the Herbivore Chew again. Get those fingers really biting the plants. The Herbivore Chew.
Spread happiness today!